Remember, we talked about this being a very large firecracker. You with
This
me?
year at our STEM Summer Innovation Camps, they're all skill-based, so students are focusing on a theme each week. This week's theme is aviation, and students are preparing their rockets to launch later in the day.
3, 2, 1, press both buttons.
And we also have a drone experience here at the camp where students will be flying their drones through obstacle courses. The goal of our summer camps is to help build interest in subjects that students might not even know exist. We hope that this inspires students to not only investigate these skills throughout the school year, but also to explore potential careers in STEM fields that are in our local community.
So what we're trying to teach kids is that drones have so many uses beyond the recreational uses that most people know them for, that we can use them in agriculture, law enforcement. You know, it's changing the way that we do a lot of things, and they need to be on that cutting edge.
I like to fly drones because it's like something that you can fly with like a camera, so that you don't have to be like in the airplane or a helicopter to take photos. It does make me want to fly more in the future.
Well, it's definitely inspiring in the sense that like you're getting to get your hands on it at a young age. You're getting able to understand it. So later in life, if you wanted to pursue a career, you already know the basics. I like the fact that we're learning about, you know, interesting topics such as like drones and rockets, and how those are things we're definitely going to be experiencing later in life.
I love science, you know, I love making the rockets and flying the drones. I've done science since I was like a little girl, like projects. It just helps my mindset better, helps me focus more.
Rockets, there is so much fun learning about how they launch STEM. It is awesome.
So we've been working through rocketry. Our goal is to get a rocket that will fly to a certain height. One of the biggest things we run into with all rocketry or any STEM project is trial and error. So sometimes they'll get out to the launch pad, they'll have done everything correctly, and it still won't work. So we have to go back through each of our steps.
3, 2, 1, press both buttons.
The best part is when you see the kids' faces and they're all lit up, they never thought it was going to work, and that's incredible. That's that moment. I love giving the kids a puzzle and seeing if they can solve it. That's really it. And the puzzles aren't that hard, but once they solve it and once it works, it's just awesome.
What was that like?
Amazing. Thought it was crazy, man. I didn't think it would go that high. I thought it would go like, you know, like half the height that it went.